deploying plugins. So these static plugins, the configuration plugin we're using here, any hot fixes that you get, if you're going to use the SAML plugin, if you have a custom static plugin, something that needs to be running before dotCMS is fully up and running, something that changes core dotCMS behavior, you'll put that in this plugins folder. And when you're ready to deploy plugins, and we recommend stopping dotCMS before running your plugins, because, for instance, if you're making a change to server XML, you don't want Java to overwrite that server XML you've just deployed with the one that's in memory, which, it's pretty rare for that to happen, but it's theoretically possible. So you want to be aware of that. So we'll shut down dotCMS, we'll run our deploy plugins, and it wasn't finished starting up. Okay, we're good there. What I will usually do is I'll actually run deploy plugins once before stopping dotCMS, just to make sure I don't get any errors. And I'll say, okay, everything copied over, build successful. And you can see here, if you want to go through the actual process, it's looking through the plugin tree, finding all of the changes, building a jar file for it, and copying everything out to the dotCMS application itself. So we get this build successful message. All of the plugins have built, there's no problems. Then I go ahead and stop dotCMS, and now I'm going to start it up again because I now have my plugins deployed. And that's the essentials of starting and stopping and deploying plugins, which is all of the agenda that we have for today.